Alright, now Samsung has rolled out a very useful update with a couple of cool features for one of its Good Lock module called Quick Star, which enables us to customize the quick panel. Most of us know what we can do with this Quick Star module. We can customize the way the notification shows up. We can even add additional quick button grids on the quick panel. This is one of the useful modules on Good Lock. On this module, we have got two new features now. Before we go ahead and take a look at them, if you are someone who would like to know your phone better, then you are at the right place. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and become a part of Apex community. Now moving on, as you can see, the version number is 6.1.05.20, and in the changelog it says supports seconds clock on the panel, that's on One UI 5, supports date clock on indicator, again on One UI 5.0. So you'll not be getting these features on the previous iterations of One UI. It also says improve app stability. Now let me open Quick Star. As you can see, we have a toggle to turn it on. We have got style your own quick panel option, which is integrated into Good Lock's theme park, where we can customize this entire quick panel. Then comes the clock settings. Let me tap on this. As you can see, under clock attribute, we have got these new toggles here. Earlier, we only had show AM PM toggle. Now we have show date as well as show seconds toggles. Now let me enable show date. As you can see on the status bar, we've got date information as well. We have got day, date as well as month. That is just brilliant. This date information will be permanently available on the status bar now. Whenever you are using the phone or using any applications on the phone, if at all you want to check the current date, you can just glance at the status bar to see that. This is certainly a very thoughtfully done feature. Now let's turn on the next toggle, that is show seconds. Here if you look at the status bar, you don't see the seconds, but when you pull down the quick panel, you can see now we have got the clock with seconds information as well. It will continuously run on the quick panel as and when you open it. Now the use of this feature will depend on you. Just in case if you want a quick time countdown, you can pull down the quick panel and have a look at the seconds here. That's the second feature now we have on Quick Star module. Kudos to the Good Lock team for offering these features for us. These are certainly useful for most of us. Now you let me know, what do you think about these features? These features are currently available only on One UI 5.0. So if you own any other device and if you use Good Lock, you may not be able to use them. Just wait for the update, wait for the Android 13 update as well as an update for your Quick Star module. That's all I want to share with you guys. I hope you have already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.